Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jackson. We want to look at problem number 3 for our math homework for Thursday, September 27th, 2012. There are two parts to number 3. Now part A, which is addition, part B, which is subtraction. You have to get both parts right to receive the full credit. And the instructions are to solve the following problems. Be sure to show regrouping. Now if you don't show your regrouping, you won't get any credit, because it's very important that you show your work. Also, you have to show your regrouping the way that it's taught in class, because we know that sometimes we know different ways to solve the problem, but it has to be solved the way it's shown in class in order to get the credit. So we'll start with the addition, and whenever we add or subtract, we start with the smallest place value. If we have to do any regrouping for addition, it's called carrying. Any regrouping for subtraction is called borrowing. So in the ones place, the smallest place value here, 4 ones plus 1 1 is 5 ones. 3 tens plus 7 tens is 10 tens. Put a 0, carry the 1. 100 plus 300 is 400s. 400s plus 800s is 1200s. So we'll put our 2, carry our 1. 1,000 plus 2,000s is 3,000s. And 3,000s plus 9,000s is 12,000s. So we put our 2, we carry our 1. 1 10,000 plus 2 10,000s is 3 10,000s. And 3 10,000s plus 6 10,000s is 9 10,000s. Now all we have to do is place our comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, to separate the ones period from the thousands period. Then we'll move on to part B. We'll start with the lowest place value, smallest place value, which is the ones place. Can we take 7 ones from 4 ones? No. So we would need to regroup. We would move to our tens place. We have 5 tens. If we borrow one of these tens, we'll have 4 tens left. One of these is 10 of those. So the 1 10 we borrowed will turn into 4 for 10 ones and add 4 ones to it, because we already had 4 ones here. So that's going to be 14 ones. Now 14 ones minus 7 ones we can do. That would be 7 ones. In the tens place, we can't take 8 tens from 4 tens, so we will need to borrow from our hundreds place. We have 6 hundreds. If we borrow one, we'll have 5 hundreds left. We'll turn that 100 we borrowed into 10 tens and add it to the 4 tens we already had. That would give us 14 tens. 14 tens minus 8 tens would give you 6 tens. Now we move to the hundreds place. We can't take 900s from 500s, so we would need to borrow from our thousands place. We have 3 thousands. If we borrowed one of them, we'd have 2 thousands left. The one we borrowed, we'd turn it to 10 hundreds and add to 5 hundreds. That would give us 15 hundreds. 15 hundreds minus 9 hundreds is 6 hundreds. Now we move to our thousands place. 2 thousands minus 1 thousand is 1,000. And then in our 10,000s place, 2 10,000s minus 1 10,000 is 1 10,000. All we have to do now is add our comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So our difference here is 11,667. Our sum here is 92,205. And keep in mind that the numbers you add together are called add-ins. In subtraction, the number you start with is called your minuend. The number you subtract from it is called your subtrahend. And of course your answer is your difference. Okay, if you have any questions, please email me at ClassJump. Thank you.